Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new quick and easy face painting tutorial with Simone, and this one is called Raving Rio. With a light pink metallic face paint by Diamond Effects, this color is called Mellow Pink. Simone colors her eyelids in a nice light pink color. And then with a regular face painting sponge and the split cake Raving Rio, also by Diamond Effects, Simone colors her entire forehead in the lovely colors that are in this block, and also just a bit next to the eyes. And I asked her to create a makeup with this split cake because we had loads of questions on how it looks on the skin. So here it is, a wonderful, very festive color combination, and Simone is creating a mask with it for us today. So here is white face paint, also by Diamond Effects, just to give a bit of accent to the eyes. Onto black, which is the Essential Black by Diamond Effects as well, and she is putting it on the skin using a round face painting brush. So this is a fantasy mask. It has an asymmetrical design and you could change the shapes on the forehead if you want to. Once the shapes are on the forehead, we continue to black around the eyes as well, and some curls next to the eye. So this bit is the same on both sides. A few eyelashes and some dots under those eyelashes. A nice light pink lipstick, which is the same mellow pink as used on the eyes. And then Simone wasn't completely satisfied with the black shape on the forehead, and that is why she is refining this just a little bit. And with that, our Raving Rio face paint for today is done. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.